Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you just a few of my favorite products that I've been loving lately. It has been quite a while since I have filmed one of these type of videos, and I'm really trying to get back into the swing of things. I've been sick, I've been busy with work, I've been busy with school, and I can just come up with a billion other reasons why I have been really lacking on videos lately. I've done really well in like the past 2 weeks, and I'm very proud of myself for that, but I do want to get back into uploading about 2 times a week. So here I am today just to share with you some of my favorite products. I don't have a ton. I tend to use the same products over and over and over again, but there are some products that I have really been loving and I feel deserve an honorable mention here on my channel. So if you're interested in seeing the products that I have truly been loving, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so the first product that I have is a brush, and it's no surprise that Luxie brushes are my favorite brushes of all time. I talk about them all the time on my channel, in favorite videos, in Ipsy unbaggings when I receive one in there, in my tutorials, all the time. Luxie brushes are my favorite, and this brush I have been loving so much lately. This is a Luxie 504 large angle brush, and I've been using this for not only bronzer but also contour. You can see that it is angled, and so it really fits into the hollows of your cheek and really makes a nice contour as well as the bronzer. And so I have really been loving this brush in particular. Next up, I have a concealer. This is from J. Manuel Beauty, and this is the Filter Finish Collection Photo Illusion Concealer in Airbrush Light. Now this is an interesting concealer. It's not doe foot or anything like that. It actually has, and mine's super messy because I use it all the time, it's like a metal cap tip, and you just squeeze it and it comes on that little hole, and what I do is I just squeeze it in like a downward triangle motion on my face, and then I just blend it out with a beauty blender. But I really like this concealer. I find that it does not do extreme creasing on me. It looks incredible. It's light enough for my pale skin, and I just really like it. I feel like you get pretty good amount in here. It only takes a little bit. It's super easy to blend out, and I just love it. It is pretty expensive. I don't remember the exact retail price, but you can find it on jmanuelbeauty.com, as well as I believe he has his stuff on HSN. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. Next up, I have a little highlighter duo. This is from Pixie by Petra, and this is the Glowy Gossamer Duo in Delicate Dew. Now, if you watched my Generation Beauty haul experience giveaway video, then you saw this in there because that is where I received it from. So I have not had it for very long, 2 weeks maybe, but it is definitely a favorite. I think that the colors in here are incredible. They make such a pretty highlight on the skin. There is another palette with 2 deeper shades in it, but this is perfect for my light skin, and you can wet these and they get more pigmented and amazing, but I just apply it onto my cheekbones, across my nose, my cupid's bow, and then I've also been using it under my brows, inner corner, as well as just a nice shimmery eyeshadow lid, or eyeshadow color for my lids. And I just really like this. I love the formula. I think it's incredible, and it looks so natural and fresh and dewy and glowy, and it is so beautiful, and I don't think I'll trade this out for one of my other highlighters for quite some time. Next up, I have a mascara, and my gosh, you guys, this mascara has been everything lately. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Bad Gal Bang mascara. It is brand new to their collection. It's only been out a couple of months maybe, and it is the most amazing mascara ever. This is what the wand looks like. It kind of tapers out and gets thinner towards the end, but this mascara is so lightweight. It glides through your lashes so easily, and it makes them look so long and voluminous and full, and it is just incredible. It retails for like $24, and like, I'm all about the drugstore mascara life, but this is one mascara that I think that I would definitely repurchase. I love it that much, and I've been using it since I got it, and I've got nothing but good things to say about it. It is amazing. Definitely check that out. Next up, I have a palette. This is the Tarteltte In Bloom palette from Tarte. I'm sure you guys have seen me talk about this before. I use it all the time. This is like my everyday palette. You can see Like I'm almost out of this shade. Hit pan on this one, I use it all the time. This shade right here, this top brown one, that's the one that I've been using for contour, and it's just the most beautiful palette. Mine is super dusty, I just realized. The shades are all mixed in with each other, but this shade right here and this one are ones that I use every day in like my crease. This has been my brow bone and lid kind of like transition-y shade to blend everything together. You guys know how I like doing that. And it's so beautiful, and it smells incredible, and I love it. I've got a couple more things in here. This is from Laneige. It's a lip sleeping mask. I unbagged this in an Ipsy bag, I think in February, and I thought that it was one of the products that I received in my bag, but it's actually a product that I redeemed my points for. So this is just a lip sleeping mask. It smells like bananas, and it's just this potted, like, I don't know, it's really sticky, gooey lip product, and I just put it on every night after I put on some chapstick, and it really helps to keep my lips feeling soft and hydrated, because dry lips are like my biggest pet peeve ever. I cannot stand them. I'm always applying some sort of lip product. I have to have something on my lips, otherwise it just drives me crazy. And I've been using that and loving that, and it lasts like all night when I put it on before I go to bed, and I really enjoy that. Next up I have from Maybelline. This is the Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and I got this a few months ago and I wasn't sure how I felt about it. I thought it was one of those ones where you put it on and then you peel it off, but it's actually like got little fibers in it. I feel like the brush is pretty big, and I can really only use it right here at this part of my brow, unless I go in with an angled brush and like sweep it off of there and then brush it in, if that makes sense. I was gonna film a review video on it, but I wasn't sure if people would be interested in seeing it. So if you are, go ahead and let me know down below. But this is definitely a product that I've been loving. I feel like it really sets my brows, and it's something that holds them in place, and it really adds a lot of pigmentation to my brows, which is what I want. And so I have really been enjoying that product. And then last but not least, I just have an eyeliner. Again, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know about this product. I was recently using NYX Epic Ink matte liner, whatever that one's called, because my Target didn't have this one when I needed eyeliner, so I got that one. But that one, it's like the Kat Von D, it's like a brush tip, which I do enjoy, but mine flared out like crazy after the first use, and so I am back to my baby right here, Milani iTech Extreme. This is my favorite liquid felt tip liner of all time, and I'm so happy that I have it again in my life. So definitely check this one out if you're looking for a fantastic, super dark, black, matte, felt tip eyeliner pen. It is incredible. There's so much precision, so much control with it. You get these amazing wings, and it's super easy to use, and I love it. So that is everything that I have really been loving lately. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and let me know down below some products that you have been loving. I would love to know. Leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know what videos you guys would like to see also. I want to film content that you want to watch. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This